I thought I would come in at the end of this video just to tell you how I made this one and why I did it the way I did. I recorded this track, or using the background track that I bought from CCJ Music. I'll put the link to his site in the description. Cool track. You heard me do one with a P90 SG earlier this week if you subscribe to my channel. But before I did the one that had the here it is. I'll show you that. There's the SG. I had 3 different takes of SG. I ran through his, I copied this entire sequence here, and I made one called Tele takes, which were just the Telecaster takes, the ones that I did 5 different takes, right? Tele 1, 2, 3, 4. And there were bits and pieces I hated about everything I was playing in some of those. I mean, it's, it wasn't like I was hitting a bunch of sour notes. It's just hitting notes that I just always play. And there was nothing real interesting about parts of it. So all these blank areas here that you see are from each of those takes, the parts that I hated. And I just cut them out. I stacked them all 5 takes together. And then I created a audio area down here that I muted everything else. So here's where I muted stuff. Turned the video off, and I just randomly, honestly went through and didn't even, I think there's one place back over here where I didn't like the first one I grabbed, but I just cut spots out of the stuff that I did like, the stuff that the parts that I liked from each take, and then I just jammed them all together, no planning, knowing that's why it might seem a little haphazard. There might be different tones. I was using a clon, and some of them I was using other kinds of distortion, overdrive on some of the others. Some of them just super clean, some of them just strumming little chords, some of it playing bluesy licks or whatever else. It was a bluesy piece of music, seemed like to me, sort of Pink Floyd-y. And so anyway, it's just a real random take on I just want you to see again how awesome a Telecaster sounds through that Vox AC10. So that's me playing Telecaster, same piece of music I played earlier in the week and shared on my channel where I was playing the SG with the P90s. Let me know what you think of this. Just minimal editing, just 5 takes, watch each one of them. Boy, that sucks. Cut it out. And then just throw it together like throwing pieces of music into the blender is what I did. And so anyway, that's my little tutorial on how I pulled this off up here. And you know, it was fun. It's something I might do more often. Man, I look fat in this. I'm just laying. I'm actually back to losing weight again, but I think I was probably 10 pounds heavier when I shot this. I look terrible. Yeah, I just got up out of bed. But anyway, I have no pride. I have no pride when it comes to my guitar playing. I have no ego about it really at all. I'm just trying to do stuff. Got all this gear. I got to do something with it. Got to have some fun with it. And I love the track from my buddy at CC. Let me make sure I say it right again. Always careful about saying it wrong. CCJ Music. I don't know what CCJ is. He watches a lot of my videos. If you see this brother, I'd love to do an online interview with you sometime about your backing tracks. You do a great job with them, and I like them. I like the space that's there. I also like the stuff that Robert Clark does, and there's a bunch of other people I like to snag some of their backing tracks and do some of my own stuff over it because it's just a lot of fun to get somebody else involved. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.